Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Rulings regarding fasting, compensation, and expiation, Part 2. If one, God forbid, breaks their fast by doing a haram act in the month of Ramadan, such as drinking wine, if they do so knowingly, deliberately, and mindfully, not only does their fast become invalid, and they must perform the qada fast, they must also undertake jam'a kafara based on an obligatory precaution. Even if one does not know that this entails jam'a kafara, it is still due on them. Nevertheless, if one does not know that doing something unlawful, such as attributing a lie to Allah, invalidates the fast and happens to commit it, their fast is invalid and they must perform a qada fast, but they do not become liable to kafara. Moreover, if the fast is broken on the account of committing an unlawful act before midday, in obligatory fasts other than the fast of Ramadan, such as qada fasts, kafara is not obligatory on the fasting person, even though an unlawful act has been committed and the fast has been invalidated. But if the unlawful act is committed in the afternoon, not only is the fast invalidated, but one is also obligated to perform kafara. This means that one must feed 10 poor people, or if they cannot do so, they can fast for 3 days, preferably 3 consecutive days. Moreover, if while observing the kafara fast one commits an unlawful act which invalidates their fast, they must complete the kafara fasts, and also they must feed 10 poor people as well, based on an obligatory precaution. If the one fasting does the things which invalidate fasting several times during the fast, such as eating and submerging one's head in the water afterwards, giving one jam'a kafara is sufficient for them. Furthermore, if the fast is broken by means of one unlawful act and is followed by whether the unlawful or lawful invalidators of fast for several times, giving one jam'a kafara is sufficient. But if the fast is broken by a lawful invalidator such as water, and afterwards is broken by some unlawful invalidator such as drinking wine, based on obligatory precaution, a twofold kafara is due on the fasting person. Institute for compiling and publishing the works of Ayatollah Makarim Shirazi.